So how to install WorkJam app, hourly work and shift management. So just tap get and you will be able to install it. Elevate your workplace experience, connect, collaborate, access, learn, advance. Stay up to date within the information you need and be part of the conversation. It just makes your work life better by making it easier to connect with your employer and to easily manage them and where you work. WorkJam makes it simple to access your work schedule, manage shift rates, and communicate with your managers and coworkers. Receive work schedules from your employer based on your availability. Real-time shift trading with coworkers. Pick up additional shifts. Communicate with your team in-app messaging. Badges, performance tracking. So yes, this is like HR apps, quite popular HR app, but your company needs to work with it. So you need to check out with your manager or IT administrator to make sure your account has already been set up. If you're a returning user, make sure you have entered the email or username that was used to set up your account. There's a single sign-on. So yeah, if your company works with WorkJam, just enter your username or email or add company. I don't know if like which company can work there. So and then you can just, for example, log in with your password. So yeah, there you have it.